Hey guys, Tark with Cyclone FPV, and this video it's going to be a short one. It's a little different though because it's not an actual live build or live RMA or live demo or any instruction. I'm actually doing this video just to kind of touch up on a video I did a couple days ago regarding this Mobula 6 here, and the customer that sent it in and what transpired. Look, there's right now it just seems like there's this huge uptick. I mean, we're seeing it, and I don't know if it's hard times. I don't know if it's people in their jobs, people in their family, people stuck at home. Something is obviously getting under people's skin, and maybe it's what's on the news. Couldn't tell you. What I can tell you is that there is an uptick in people that are just acting different. They're a little more rude. They definitely don't seem to respect other people, the way they talk to them. And I seem to get a lot of it too when some people come across and they just think that, like I've referenced before, like this is a Wal-Mart where you can just talk crap and get away with it. However, that being said, I'm also not one to turn down an apology or to ignore when somebody may be hurting or when somebody may be going through something. And that's why I'm putting this video up there. The gentleman that sent me that back had an exchange with me afterwards. The first one wasn't so great. The next morning, I got an email, and it was a 180, and it was heartbreaking. Okay, it bothered me to read what he wrote, not because it was an apology, but because of what was contained in it, and it got me to realize that, look, I have to protect my business and my family, right? This is my income. So I'm always going to be on the defensive when somebody starts. And I mean, today I had some guy, I mean, you can't help it, all right? You can't help the fact that there are bad people out there. Unfortunately, this guy also apparently had a run-in with some bad people, bought some broken stuff online from others. And that's not the first time I've heard of it. I've heard of this happening plenty of times. I've even bought stuff from guys that are selling things. They take advantage of this community that we all talk about. We're a community. Well, we are, except that makes us vulnerable to people who prey on that, right? And this guy apparently lost money, and to be honest with you, I have every reason to believe him because his story matched a few others who I've talked to along the way who buy things and they're not what they seem. And you guys know it. You buy a used motor, it doesn't work. You buy a drone and they forget to tell you that there's something fried on it. And it's that con artist, thievery, dishonest, immoral crap that starts putting marks in people, right? There's a mark. So the next time you become more apprehensive. Guess what I'm trying to say is, this gentleman who sent back this Mobula 6 wrote me an email that was extremely, I mean, it was hard to read, but it hit me hard, and it meant a lot. I'm taking the video down because as much as I use these videos to try to deter others from trying to take advantage of our business or take advantage of a situation, I don't feel as though it does anyone any good to keep pounding in something when apologies have been exchanged and we move on, right? That's how we do it. We're human beings. And anybody is allowed to make a mistake. I am, you are. But it's when you can apologize for it and you can accept it. And we're no better than anybody we're not to deny somebody's apology, all right? So I'm taking the video down. You won't find it on there anymore. I'm not stopping making them because for every one good person that I do come across that has an apology or realizes maybe they might have been wrong, there's a handful that are just dead set on conning somebody out of money. I mean, in the last 2 months, Sam, what do? We got the goggles. We got the DJI goggles stolen, right? Yeah. We had the 2019 FreeSky X9D Plus 2019 Special Edition stolen. And when I say stolen, I mean that they file false claims or they order with stolen credit cards. They're out there, and they don't care about the fact that they're hurting somebody else. They're very selfish and very immoral, and I believe karma will get them. But for the other ones, the people who make the mistakes or get upset and then come back and say, look, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it, I whatever it may be. I'm always open to it. And I've had to do the same to people and apologize. So that's it. I just wanted to put this video and let you know that there's no joy in continuing to beat something down when it's acknowledged, it's finished, it's over with, okay? And so for this gentleman, I will give him the respect of taking it down and hoping that everything is better, okay? To everyone else, look, guys, this still goes out to all the guys that do the immoral and that are crooks. There's no place for you here. I don't like the threats. I don't like the we're going to put you out of business crap. It's just a bunch of talk. And honestly, I mean, my God, if you had the power to put me out of business, then you ought to have the power to buy something for $20 and stop complaining about it. I mean, you know, you're not that strong, Mike Lowry. So I just want to put that out there for anybody who feels like they're the king dingling of the drone world. Other than that, guys, listen, from my family to yours, God bless, be safe. I know these times are tough. They are for all of us. But I do wish you the best, and we'll talk to you soon. All right? Take care, guys. Bye.